So everybody wants to know, what's the deal with Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin dead? Is the cryptocurrency bubble finally popped and it's all over and nobody's getting Lambos? What's the deal? Today we're taking a look here at Bitcoin, talking about cryptocurrencies today and all of that fun stuff in this video. So, well, stay tuned. All right, so today somebody asked me, actually somebody in real life, not on the computer, not on YouTube, somebody asked me, they said, hey, what's the deal with Bitcoin, Patrick? You told me Bitcoin was going to the moon and I bought some and now I lost money. What's the deal? Well, I hope they didn't actually lose money, but let's just talk. Let's just talk about what's going on here. Looking at the Bitcoin chart, this is the daily chart, and you can see back there in September, Bitcoin go from September from the $3,000 area up there to $20,000. Well, what is going on now? We want to know. We want answers. Well, let's just take a look. Let's zoom in here. Let's zoom in. So you can see this 6,500, 6,600 area showing a triple bottom right now. Is this a triple bottom, or is this about to be the breakdown to that $3,000 area? That's the question. That's the question that we all really just need to kind of answer. And it's not going to be easy. It's not an easy answer either way. And I think a lot of people are hoping that this is a triple bottom, and then other people are hoping that it's going to crash. And I mean, looking at the chart right now, it does look like a triple bottom. So you can see that support there at the $6,600 area. But really, you know, the question is, what's it going to do? What's it mean? Where are we going to go from here? And a lot of people got really excited the last time that Bitcoin got there, the $10,000 area. It pulled back down there now. But the 200-day moving average really held it down. You can see that resistance is kicking in there. It actually held it down the last time it got there, the $9,000 area. So that was kind of the key area. I was really hoping for that $10,000 area to break. It did not break. And you can see Bitcoin back down there to 6,600. I actually posted a while back. I was buying a bunch of Ethereum, Litecoin, stuff like that with swing trading. And I ended up buying a bunch here kind of on this double bottom. We were finding that support there, 6,600 area. And once we couldn't break over 10,000, once, you know, everything just kind of stuck there and was showing that resistance, I was like, well, I'm out. I'm getting out because I was worried that this might pull back. I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure it was going to crash, but I had a feeling. I had a feeling that we might have some issues there. And I'm not trying to say that I was right, I was wrong, or anything like that, but really it just came down to, you know, looking at the chart and kind of figuring out, okay, I'm not really liking this resistance area. It's not breaking above 10,000. I thought that $10,000 area is kind of like that mental resistance. You know, if Bitcoin broke over 10,000, obviously we could have got a nice. We probably would have got a nice little run up there above 11. I think. Is Bitcoin here for the third dip, or is this the real start of a sell-off here? And you know, the last day or so, it's really just been kind of bloody. I'd say Sunday was kind of like a bloody Sunday, dropping from 7,600 down there to 6,600, and kind of finding some support at that $6,600 area. So a lot of eyes right now, a lot of eyes keeping an eye on Bitcoin, keeping an eye on cryptocurrency. Pretty much no matter what cryptocurrency you're holding, pretty much whatever cryptocurrency you're a fan of, everything's red. I don't think there's one cryptocurrency that is not red today. If there is, congratulations, but I'm pretty sure that everything is red today and was red yesterday. Not the best way to start the week off if you're a major cryptocurrency investor, but luckily for me, I sold all of my position there around the $10,000 area on Ethereum, Litecoin, and Digibyte, and I'm looking to buy the dip. I ended up buying some Digibyte yesterday. I bought some Ethereum. I bought some Litecoin, and I'm thinking we might find some support here. If we can't find some support, I'll get out quickly. Not sure we're going to go back to the moon after that, but I do have hopes. I have hopes and dreams that we might test $10,000 again, and like I said, if we can break through that $10,000 area, we might be off to the races. But really, it's going to come down to, a lot of people got burnt on Bitcoin. A lot of people were kind of over it. A lot of people stopped trading it. A lot of people stopped buying it, at least on the retail level. A lot of people just stopped messing with it now that it's just been really, you know, just going down, down, down. But I think what's going to happen here is, if we can break over 10,000, it's going to start to get people excited. People probably won't buy back in just yet. You know, it's not going to be just like, boom, overnight, we're going to go to the moon. But we break 10,000, we'll start creeping. And then it's like, okay, Bitcoin's at 11. Oh, interesting. Okay, Bitcoin's at 12. And then it's just going to be a snowball effect. You're going to get the FOMO. It's going to get crazy, and Bitcoin could possibly go back to the moon. Now, it's right then and there. You know, I feel like we're right on the tipping point of, we're either going to find some support here, or we're going lower. If we break below $6,500 area, I think it's going to get real bloody, and Bloody Sunday won't even be close to how bloody it's going to get. So that's going to be my key area to watch here right now. Now that I'm swinging some of these cryptocurrencies, I'm definitely keeping a very close eye on the $6,500 area, and if that can't hold, I'll probably jump out because there's a possibility that this thing goes even lower. I kind of like Litecoin around the $100 area. Litecoin at $100, this sounds like a good price to buy, right? $100 Litecoin seems like a good time to buy. Just kind of rolls off your tongue there. So I'm keeping a close eye, like I said, on this area, that support. I got some Ethereum, I got some Litecoin, and I'm looking for a bounce here for the possibility that this is kind of a triple bottom. The triple bottom, is it in? Is it in? We'll see. That's really just kind of the big question. We'll see what happens in the next week or so, but I'm definitely keeping a close eye on Bitcoin right now. Obviously, you know, this thing, it could go either way. I think really right now, it could kind of go either way, but I do like that there is some solid support there at the $6,500 area, and we'll see what happens the next couple of days. If you look back at Bitcoin over the last 5 years, you can see some pretty similar moves. You know, we had these big, massive moves, Bitcoin crashed 80%. You had some big, massive moves, Bitcoin crashed 80%. Is this the same pattern? Nobody really knows for sure, but a lot of people who have been investing in Bitcoin for a long time, they are used to it, and they are pretty much saying that, hey, we've seen this happen before, we've seen this go down the same exact way, and they're kind of thinking that this could be a similar pattern to what they've seen before. So we'll see what happens here with Bitcoin the next couple of days, and kind of keep an eye on it. I'm not sure. How many of you guys out there are still trading it? Is anybody still trading Bitcoin? Is it only me? I guess we'll find out. I'll talk to you guys later on.